Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve two linear equation. Let's start. First one. Here we will find out x. So here is 4 fraction. 1 divide x plus 2 plus 1 divide x plus 5 equals to 1 divide x plus 3 plus 1 divide x plus 4. This is the first one. So this one we have to transfer some equation right side to left side. So here is first 1 divide x plus 2, and this one x plus 3 will transfer right side to left side. So 1 divide x plus 3 equal, and here is 1 divide x plus 4 minus 1 divide x plus 5. Now question, why we are transferring 1 divide x plus 3 to left side? Why not x plus 4? Look, here is 2 and here is 3, here is 4, here is 5. We are just maintain serial. You will understand few moments later why we are doing like this. Now general LCM, so here is x plus 2 and x plus 3 is a LCM. So we can write here x plus 3 minus x plus 2 equal x plus 4 and x plus 5 is our LCM. So here is x plus 5 minus x plus 4. Okay, then here is x plus 2 times x plus 3 equal, here is x plus 3 in numerator, x plus 3 minus x minus 2 equal, here is x plus 4 times x plus 5, and in numerator x plus 5 minus x minus 4. Look, here is plus x and minus x out, also here plus x minus x out. So we can write 3 minus 2, it will be 1, and here is x plus 2 times x plus 3 equal, here is also 1, x plus 4 and x plus 5. Look, now you can get the answer why we are keeping x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 3, because once we make LCM and finally the denominator and numerator looking similarity, it means the numerator here is 1 and also here is 1. That's why this math become little smooth. Now we can cross multiplication, so we can multiply this one, x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6, and this one multiply like this. So here is x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 20, right? And here is x square plus 5x plus 6, and equal, here is x square plus 5x plus 4x, it means 9x plus 2. Okay, then here is not 2, actually here is 20. 4 times 5 means 20, right? Now we can transfer everything in left side. So x square plus 5x minus x square minus 9x equals to 20, and this plus 6 become minus 6, right? So x square and minus x square out, here is 5x minus 9x, it means minus 4x equals to, here is what, 14. So we can write x equals to, we can divide both sides by minus 4, so minus 14 divide 4, right? So the answer is minus, we can divide by 2, numerator and denominator, so here is 7 and here is 2, so minus 7 by 2 it's an improper fraction, we also write minus 3 1 by 2. It means 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is a 7. So this is our answer. So first question answer done. Now we will start second one. Second question here is 3 fraction, and we will simplify and find we try to find out the value of t. So first one here is 2t minus 6 divide 9 plus 15 minus 2t divide 12 minus 5t equals to 4t minus 15 divide 8. Look, here is 9 and here is 8. First we have to do something by these two fractions. So we can write 2t minus 6 divide 9 minus 4t minus 15 divide 18 equals to minus 15 2t divide 12 minus 5t, right? Now here is LCM is 18, so here is 2t minus 6 minus 4t minus 15, okay? Then here is minus 15 minus 2t divide 12 minus 5t, okay? Then we can write what? Here is 2 times 2, it means 4t minus 12 minus 4t, and here is plus 15, right? Divide 18 equal minus 15 minus 2t divide 12 minus 5t. Now look, here is plus 4t and minus 4t out. Therefore we can write here is plus 15 and minus 12, it means 3, and here is 18 equals to minus 15 minus 2t divide 12 minus 5t. Okay, so we can divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So here is 1 and here is 6. So we can write 1 divide 6 equals to minus 15 minus 2t divided by 12 minus 5t. Now cross multiplication, we can write 12 minus 5t equals to minus 15 minus 2t, okay, times 6. Now here is 12 minus 5t equals to minus and minus 6 and 15, it will be minus 90, and minus plus 12t, okay? Then we can write, now we can transfer something left side to right side, like here is 12 and minus 90 become plus 90, and here is 12t and minus 5t become plus 5t, okay? Then here is 102 equals to what? Here is 17t, okay? Then t equals to, we can write 102 divide 17, right? So what will be the answer? 102, it means 6 times 7 is it 42, 2, and 6 times 1 6 plus 4, so the result is 6, okay? So answer is 6, okay? T equals to 6. So thank you very much being with me. We are trying to solve two fractional linear equation, which is very important for any kinds of competitive examination. Please subscribe channel, and if you have any question, please write a line in the comments box, and also don't forget share with others. Thank you.